Awo. Yes, I'm Roman on. Today I will teach you how to sound more like a Jamaican. Let's go. Being Jamaican is much more than just being able to speak Patois well, because there are Jamaicans living in Jamaica who cannot speak Patois well or correctly. However, there are some sounds that sort of indicate if you are a Jamaican. Number one, ah. This just means okay or yes. Yo, Russ, we talk tomorrow, here. Number two, eh? It means like, what? What did he say? Could you maybe repeat? I didn't hear you well. Alright, now. Eh? Number three, eh. So this is almost like saying yes. Yo, bro, would that ever lie to you? Eh. Number four, eh. This one, I love it. I use it a lot. It means so much. It means really. Is that really true? I don't believe you. Wow, I can't believe what I'm hearing. You Rasta them shot me this morning, you know. Eh. Number five, awo. Awo is such a powerful word because it means, have I made myself clear? Am I being understood? It's usually something that is used in a serious situation to reiterate, restate your position on something. You will eat your vegetables and you will smile. Am I understood? Yes, Daddy. Awo. I didn't get that too. No, Daddy, no. Awo. Also, these words mean so much more than I could possibly express because we use them in so many diverse ways and situations. And just telling you one word as a translation doesn't suffice. Furthermore, as a Jamaican, whenever you speak, there must be a lot of expression and emotion in what you say. We tend to move our facial muscles a lot and we make up our faces. Eh? No, man. For true? Lord have mercy. So you see, being Jamaican, we are just expressive people. So work on your sounds, work on your facial expressions, and you will see more Jamaican. And if there's something that you'd like to know about Jamaica or about Jamaicans, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Oh, like, subscribe, share, comment. Follow me on Instagram, on my social media. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. You're a good boy. Don't come back up and say I get trouble, you know. You hear me? Yes, Daddy. Awo. Alright, now.